In this video, how to disable Windows UEFI Firmware Update option in a laptop. By default, Windows will automatically update the laptop firmware. If you want to stop Windows from updating the firmware automatically, you can try disabling the firmware in Device Manager. Next, disable driver downloads from Windows Update. Alternatively, you can disable driver downloads using Group Policy. If you are using Lenovo System Update, make sure to disable automatic driver and BIOS updates. Similarly, in Lenovo Vantage, the firmware and BIOS updates should be disabled as well. Lastly, you can disable automatic BIOS updates from the BIOS setup. Disable Flash BIOS updating by end users and Windows UEFI firmware update options to prevent Windows from updating the BIOS automatically. To be able to roll back to an older version, make sure Secure Rollback Prevention is disabled in the BIOS. If the update is already installed, you can manually roll back to an older version. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.